Today I'm going to show you how to tie possibly the world's most important knot for all bushcraft and shelter building. Let's get started. Okay, so we have our string, and basically this knot is called the bowline. The bowline knot is a very useful knot. It's easy to untie, and it makes a very strong loop. So here's how you tie it. You make a loop in the cord, like this, and then you take your moving end, and you go through the loop, around the end that's going away from you, and back through the loop, and then you pull it tight. And that is a bowline. It is a really easy loop to do, and it's extremely useful. Also, under heavy load, this can slip a bit, but you can fix that super easy by tying a small square knot, overhand knot, over it on this end here, stop knot. And that is how you tie a bowline. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe.